How to stop ads on Android phone or remove pop-up ads free without any app. Hey there, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stop ads on Android phone or remove pop-up ads for free without any apps. In order to do this procedure, you'll need to first make sure to stick with us till the end of this video, and after that you'll need to check your internet connection. First of all, the step number one is you'll need to turn off your personalized ads. For that, you need to go to your settings application. After that, you'll need to go to Google. Once you've done that, you'll need to scroll down a bit. In here, you need to click on manage your Google account, which is right on top. Once you've done that, swipe towards your left hand side and go to data and privacy. Scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find my ad center. So click on this button, and next page it's going to direct you to the personalized ad. So currently you can see that personalized ad is turned on or enabled. So in order to disable it, click on the disable button or turn it off. Now you'll need to go through all of these and click on the got it button, and once again you need to select either one of it, or you can just go through it or just leave this part, and you've successfully disabled or turned off your personalized ad. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also block your ads. So there's an inbuilt feature in your Android device. For that, you need to open up a web browser. Go ahead and click on the three dot icon. Once you've done that, you go to settings. After that, scroll down a bit. You'll be able to find site settings, which is right at the bottom. After that, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find pop-ups and redirects. Click on it. Make sure that you've disabled this. After you've done that, you'll successfully stop ads on Android phone and on your Android device. So apart from that, you can just use a third-party application in order to block the ads, such as you can just go to your Play Store and then look for the third-party application which can actually stops the ads or blocks the ads. In this way, you can stop ads on Android phone and remove pop-up ads. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.